Xin chào, đây là bài tập của em ạ. Betty lives in London. Peter works at the bank. I haven't read this book. We went to the theater yesterday. What is his name? Where does he live? When did you call him? Why are you late? Would you visit them office? Have you seen my key? Are ready to start? Could you give me a pen, please? Do you want coffee or tea? Does he speak English or German? It's a beautiful town, isn't it? She knows him, doesn't she? Stobus, sit down. Close your book. What a wonderful present. How nice of you. Peter, can you help me? Mrs. Smith, Lily Mary Brown. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. She bought with 3 on G, then double. If he called, tell him about the conference, but believe. According to his words, he wasn't home. Goodbye.